Pumpkins offer numerous health benefits, which include aiding in weight loss and weight maintenance, aiding in digestion, promoting heart health, amongst others. Pumpkin is a nutrient powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber. Now, as Africans, we love our fufu, and pumpkin is one of those vegetables. Is pumpkin a vegetable or a fruit? Let's have this discussion in the comment section. I would say it's a fruit, but it is widely cooked as a vegetable. Okay, so we can go ahead and use pumpkin to make a healthy, tasty version of our regular, very high in carbohydrate kind of fufus. So pumpkin is not as high in carbohydrates as our regular fufus that we eat. So if you're looking at going into a low carb diet, you want to consider pumpkin. Okay, so how do we make our pumpkin fufu? We start by washing our pumpkin, peeling, as you've seen in the earlier clips of this video. You wash your pumpkin, you peel it, you put it in a blender, add some water, and then you blend it. Now, to make this process easier, I would advise you use a cheesecloth. I need to go ahead and get myself a new cheesecloth. The last one I had got torn, and since then I haven't gotten to get a new one. So I use my strainer, but this is time consuming. You can see how much pumpkin leak. It looks so good. It felt like I should just go ahead and drink it. It looks so good, almost like some kind of juice. Anyway, so I kept on just rubbing my pumpkin paste on the strainer to ensure that I get out as much liquid as possible. If I had done this with a cheesecloth, it would have been faster, easier, and even more effective. The more water you get out of your pumpkin, the easier you're going to be able to mold your pumpkin. Now, if you are going on a very strict low carb diet, just like the keto diet, when making your pumpkin for your binder, you can go ahead and use psyllium husk. Now, for me, I don't know where to get psyllium husk from Cameroon. If you know, please let me know. So I am going to be adding corn flour to my just like a handful of corn flour. I'm just going to keep sprinkling little by little into my pumpkin while my pot is on the fire as I mix. Okay, another thing you can use that I've seen other people use is this flour, oats flour. Okay, you just blend some oats, or you just buy oats flour and you sprinkle. It's going to help with binding your pumpkin and make it have that fufu texture, like it's going to become like fufu. Okay, when people saw this on my status, they thought it was gari. It looks like gari at this point, but it is not gari. This is pumpkin fufu. It is healthy, it has lesser carbs, it will aid in digestion. It just has so many more, and I think it tastes so delicious. You know, a lot of the times when something is really healthy, most times the taste is always awkward. But with this pumpkin fufu, it's so nice. If you watch the video where I made plantain fufu, you would it feels like plantain fufu. Like, I don't know, it has one aftertaste that is sweet in the mouth. I don't know why it has that, but just like how the plantain fufu tasted, it's really good. I would prefer to eat this to gari. Okay, the only thing that I didn't do very right in this video is that I didn't use a cheesecloth. I promise you, if you use a cheesecloth, you're going to have a firmer texture. Okay, and you might have to add less corn flour than I have added. Okay, so you just keep sprinkling, like just take a little bit of corn flour, sprinkle it, and then you monitor your texture. You see how it's binding. It's now looking like fufu, like regular fufu or gari. Okay, because it's now binding, right? So when you mix and mix and mix, I did this for about 20 minutes and my pumpkin fufu was ready. I allowed it to cool down, molded it in a wrap, and then I served. You can eat your pumpkin fufu with okra, you can have it with eru, you can have it with banga soup. Oh my god, I'm imagining I'm imagining this pumpkin fufu and banga soup. It will be so yummy. Anyways, yes, I've spoiled one of my my spoons again. I had to now go to my wooden spoon. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. We have talked about the benefits of pumpkin, how to make pumpkin. We are still to discuss in the comment section, is pumpkin a fruit or a vegetable? Leave your comment down below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.